Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. If you do a lot of trail riding with your UTV or side-by-side, then you know how important it is to have a good set of side mirrors. In today's video, we're going to take a look at these side mirrors for your UTV from Kemi Moto. We'll do a quick unboxing. I'll show you how to install these and then we'll go for a ride and test them out. So let's get started. All right, let's take a look inside the box. You're gonna have your mounting instruction manual, the tools that are needed for installing and adjusting. And these are packaged very well inside this box with a nice soft foam cushioning. And they're also wrapped in a plastic bag. Let's go ahead and get these installed. Before you begin installation, find the proper location on your roll cage. This mount bracket will accommodate a 1.6 to 2 inch bar. For my situation, I'm going to be mounting the mirror down here. So for this situation, I'm going to need to remove the strap that comes down and supports my cover for temporarily. Now that I have access to the area, I can go ahead, take my mirror, remove the 2 screws that are holding in the mounting bracket, one on each side. Set those off on the side where you won't lose them. Take the mounting hardware and set that on the side. The mirrors are labeled left and right. So make sure you have the mirror mounted on the correct side. Place your mirror where you want it. Grab your mounting bracket, slide it across the back side. Insert one of the supplied screws. Finger tighten it. Use your wrench if you have to snug it up just a little bit. Now insert the other screw and snug that one up. And then gently tighten up each one a little bit at a time until you got them seated and snugged up tightly. If you think you have it where you like it, go ahead and snug these up the rest of the way. And that's all there is to installing these mirrors. These mirrors are adjustable up and down, left and right. And they do also pivot, which is a little bit hard, but you can see here with one hand, they pivot back and forth right on this ball joint here. These mirrors use an anti-slip tooth design clamp so they do not slip or turn when they are fastened by the bolts. These mirrors also have a breakaway design, so if you run into something, they'll fold up on you without breaking off. They can also be tilted completely back this way, so if you're backing up and you hit a tree or bump into something, you will not break them or crack them. If you notice that the mirrors are vibrating up or down, they are adjustable with the supplied wrench. You insert it here and just snug it up slightly, and you can get more resistance on the mirrors. There's also a tension adjustment bolt located underneath the mirror. That adjustment is for your tilting and your turning in left and right. Now let's take it for a ride and see how well they perform. Both of these mirrors seem to be very stable, no vibrations on them. We'll go down my little trail here that I have made. And we'll test it out and see how well they stay into place, as well as the vibration that they have on them. The performance of these mirrors are great. This UTV does vibrate quite a bit, as you could see in the video, and these mirrors are rock solid. They did not move. There was not a lot of vibration on them, and they held the position where I set them. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with them. The ability to adjust them 3 different angles is also a plus. They look great on the side-by-side. They're very stylish. And the overall performance is great. If you guys are interested in these side mirrors from KemiMoto, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.